again. It was sunny and now it's raining again.
Yeah, the weather is often changing today.
Don't you see the weather forecasts?
Let's go and my friends will tell you more about safety in times of dangers.
And don't forget to share this knowledge with others.
Ready to go?
Yes, we are ready.
Come on, buddy. Let's see what you got.
Eek, I feel too sticky.
Too bad for you, buddy. Ah, not again. It was sunny and now it's raining again.
Yeah, the weather is often changing today.
Too bad for a practice day, huh? When can we ever get a perfect day?
Yeah, the weather is strange and the air feels sticky.
I wish the rain will stop soon. I need to practice my powerful spins.
Oh, what is that?
Oh wow, such an amazing spin!
Let's go and find out.
That was amazing! Tell me, how did you do those spins?
Batta, what are you doing? Hello, I am Batti and this is Batta.
Hi, I'm Vidu. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Vidu. Can you tell me how did you do those spins?
Oh, those. I just spin and my tail collects the rain.
Oh, cool. Please, teach me that.
Stop it, Batta. All you care is spins. You cannot do it anyway. With this rain,
Oh yeah, I've been waiting to practice my nice cricket moves.
Oh, you've wanted to practice. Don't you see the weather forecasts?
Weather forecast? Huh? We don't watch that.
Oh well, if you knew the weather, you could have prepared better.
Why is your tail lighting up?
Oh, my tail collects rain, and it means that the rain data is ready. Now I can give this data for weather forecasts in the National Meteorological Center.
National Meteorological Center? Do you work there, Vidu?
Yes, I do. I study our weather and climate data there.
How amazing! Can we see you work? Batta, let's study about weather things.
Huh? Why? You think it'll help me with my spins?
No, but it can help you decide when you can do your spins. Why don't you come with me in the National Meteorological Center? You can learn many helpful things about our weather and climate there.
Really? Let's go!
Yeah, okay. But you should show me your spins after that, okay?
Okay, sure. Ready to go?
Yes, we
Let's
are ready!
go. Is this where you work, Vidu? Amazing!
Yes, this is the National Meteorological Center of Sri Lanka. These are the instruments we use to study the weather.
Wow, this is an amazing place.
Yeah, cool things. I didn't know weather stuffs can be so cool looking.
Let's go inside and you will find much cooler devices.
Really? There are more? Let's go! Wow, cool!
They don't only look cool but also does cool things. For example, did you know that this shows the weather conditions of Sri Lanka?
Sri Lanka is a small island close to the equator. It is surrounded by warm ocean, the Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Because of this, water vapor is abundant, which is the source of rainfall.
Rainfall? Today it rained and it stopped. It rained and it stopped. It rained and...
All the weather conditions, including the rainfall you faced, is because of Sri Lanka's climate.
Climate?
Yes, climate, which is the average weather over time and space. And Sri Lanka's climate is mainly affected by the monsoon winds because it is located in the path of Asian monsoon circulation.
Monsoon?
Yes, monsoon is a seasonal wind pattern which continuously flow for several months. Over the Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal, monsoon winds alternately blow from the southwest and northeast, changing their direction with the season. They carry rain clouds to Sri Lanka, but the average rainfall amount in Sri Lanka per year varies very much from place to place.
Wow, why is that?
This is because even though Sri Lanka is a small island, its hilly areas at the center plays an important role in its rainfall. When monsoon winds bring rain clouds from Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal, these winds bump into the slopes of central highlands. They unload the heavy rains in the mountain slopes, but the opposite slopes receive little rain.
Oh, that's why there is such a difference in rainfall.
In Sri Lanka, there are 4 seasons in a year. The southwest monsoon, which is in the months of May to September, and the northeast monsoon, which is in the months of December to February. And between them, the first intermonsoon, which is in the months of March to April, and in the second intermonsoon, which is in the months of October to November.
Monsoon, monsoon. Can we please play soon? Vidu, why is it raining and stopping and raining and stopping today, huh?
Well, Bata, as you can see here, what season is it now in Sri Lanka?
We're on the month of July, so it's southwest monsoon season now.
Correct. In this season, rain falls at any times of the day and night. During this time, the southwest monsoon wind is blowing over Sri Lanka carrying rain clouds from Indian Ocean like this. After that, windward slopes get rain, especially in the mountains. But in the opposite side of the mountain, there is little rain.
Oh, that is why the rain stops and comes again.
Also, during this time, you might feel it's humid and windy.
Oh yeah, I felt sticky today and it was hard for me to control my shots.
Then maybe we can go there.
From December to February, rain falls there any times of the day and night too. The northeast monsoon wind brings rain clouds from Bay of Bengal to windward slopes. While the highest rainfall is in this side, the opposite side has little rain. Also, cooler condition is expected, so it's good for cricket practice.
Oh yeah? What happens on the other months?
Between these 2 monsoons, we have 2 intermonsoons. In these seasons, wind flow is weak, but source of rain from surrounding oceans come together over the country, and rain can be expected.
So rain, rain, and rain too.
During the first intermonsoon, thunderstorm-type rain happens in the afternoon and the evening, so you should play cricket in the morning. But in May, there can be rain with lightning in both morning and afternoons.
Oh, I guess the second intermonsoon is better.
Actually, it also brings thunderstorm type of rains in the afternoon and evening, but rainfall is evenly scattered over the country compared to other seasons.
Rain, rain. Not a place to practice.
No, Bata. If you were listening, rain is not everywhere at every time. You just need to know where and when you should practice in each season.
So as long as we know the seasons well, we can always decide when to go outside and where to practice. Such helpful information.
Absolutely. Let me show you something more about the Sri Lankan seasons. Look around. Isn't it amazing?
Wow, so beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful, delicious rice.
Vidhu, what is that?
Oh yeah, when we were spinning in the sky, I saw many of them. They look like lakes. Some of them are very, very huge.
They are called tank system. They are used as water reservoir.
Reservoir?
Yes. Or where the rainwater are stored. Even during the rainy season by southwest monsoon, some parts of Sri Lanka gets less rain. These water reservoirs are used to store rainwater as much as possible when they have a chance to get rain.
How cool is that?
But we have plenty of rains, right?
Well, you might think that we have lots of rain, but it depends on the place. Look at this climate zone map. We have 3 climate zones: the wet zone, intermediate zone, and dry zone. The average yearly rainfall varies from under 900 millimeters in the driest parts to over 5,000 millimeters in the wettest parts, more than 5 times difference. And you can see the tank system are distributed in the dry zone.
Bhatta, isn't it amazing? Bhatta? Bhatta, where are you?
Oh yeah, this is amazingly refreshing.
It's good that Bata is enjoying a technology that's been here for 2,500 years.
Oh, really, Vidhu?
Yeah, it's amazing that from long time ago, we've been taking advantage of our climate to improve our lives.
Indeed it is.
Because of tank system, we can have 2 farming seasons in dry zone, the Yala and Maha.
Did I hear rice? Yummy! I got so hungry from swimming in the tank. Let's eat rice.
Yes, Bhatta, do you know how to cultivate rice?
And more importantly, when to cultivate it.
Yeah, I know it.
That's good, Bata. As farming has been a major part of Sri Lanka, in Sri Lanka, we have farming seasons, the Yala and Maha. Yala season is from March to August and Maha season is from September to February. In each season, planting takes place before the increase of rain. Then harvesting takes place after the decrease of rain.
Wow, that is a very good plan, using climate to our advantage.
Yes, not only it can help you plan your days, but also it can make you understand about some weather risks and how to be safe.
Weather risks?
Well, our seasons can also bring some risks. Look here.
Wow, looks like you're busy, Vidhu. My practice calendar does not look that busy.
No, Bata. This is not my calendar. This is our calendar. This is called the weather risk calendar.
Weather risk calendar?
Yes, Sri Lanka can have lightning, high temperature, and other weather risks. They can be dangerous. This calendar will help you understand and remember when some weather risks can happen, and you should also learn what to do to be safe.
What is that, Vidhu?
That is a tropical cyclone. Tropical cyclones are serious weather risks that bring strong winds and heavy rainfall. In the months of November and December, there is the highest risk of tropical cyclones in Sri Lanka. Tropical cyclones are large circulating storms consisting of numerous thunderstorms. They form over warm ocean, Bay of Bengal, or far east of our country.
Wow, that area looks like it's a cooking pot of cyclones.
Yes, you can say that. After formation, tropical cyclones usually move westward, then tend to curve north to northeastward direction. Finally, they move into the northern Bay of Bengal or hit countries that are nearby.
Ha! We're not in danger of this tropical cyclone. Look, it goes away from Sri Lanka.
No, Bata. That is one big mistake you can think about this risk. You see, not all tropical cyclones curve like that, and some continue to move westward or toward our country. Remember, tropical cyclones are as large as several hundreds of kilometers to over 1,000 kilometers. So even if they do not directly hit our country, their crushing effect can be expected. Even though they rarely reach land, we should not ignore them.
Yeah, we should not ignore tropical cyclones, Bhatta.
Don't worry, buddy. I think we learned enough. We now know how we can play safely. Let's go.
Be careful when you go out and play. Listen to the weather forecasts, okay?
Okay. Wanna see my spin?
Thanks a lot, Vedu. See you again.